Hey all, it's so great to be here again, and first I have to thank you from the bottom of my heart, like 16 or 15 subscribers in 10 hours since publishing my first ever video. I'm speechless, so thank you for all your support, and 150 views, come on, that's beyond my wildest dreams. So yeah, as I said, I'm not about numbers, at least not for now, because I really enjoy doing this, but I'm thrilled to see that I reach so many people, and thank you very much. Every and single one of you mean so much to me, because knowing that this is not just a documentary like for my kids and a legacy, that it's reaching people and that it can help people, I just can't describe the feeling. I'm beyond thrilled. So thank you once again, and as I promised, let's go. So a short intro first for those who don't know me, who are here for the first time. I'm so pumped you're here. Thank you for dropping by. Let me introduce myself shortly. I'm Luka. I'm based in Zagreb, Croatia. I'm a 2D animator, video editor and graphic designer with 5+ years experience as a freelancer. I have produced countless videos and creative assets for reputable brands across most industry or niches, almost every industry or niche. In late 2019 I have started my own creative ad agency, lpstudio. I plan to post daily videos. Watch my first video, my channel intro to know more. Let's connect and grow together. It's time for video number 2. So welcome to video number 2. How to hide your sub count number on YouTube, and why you shouldn't do it, and why I don't do it. Stick around to see that the problem about this issue is much bigger than YouTube only. It's basically a mindset problem that affects your business, your life, and it's affecting you achieve your dreams, because you never ever start them. Let's see why. So, how to hide your sub count? Well, it's easy. Step 1. In the right upper corner, click your profile picture. In the drop-down menu, choose YouTube Studio. Okay, you're in YouTube Studio. Next step is to click Settings. It's in the bottom of the left menu. As you can clearly see, a window popped out. Okay, in the small left menu, choose Channel. Next, you have 3 tabs: Basic Info, Advanced Settings, Branding. Choose Advanced Settings. And you're finally there. Just scroll down and tick the box where it says display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Voila, click Save, and you're done. But first, I have to reverse this process, because I don't want to hide my sub count. Give me a sec. Okay, and now back to the subject of sub count. Why is it so bad to hide sub count? Isn't it better to hide a sub count if you have like 2 subscribers plus your mom? You shouldn't hide sub count, really, because first, it's obvious. If you have a hidden sub count, it's obvious to me that you're hiding something, and that's a low sub number. These are usually people below 1000 subs. I don't know why would you ever hide your sub count. Yesterday I had like 3 subscribers, now I have 16, and I was equally proud yesterday, I'm equally proud today. Basically, that's another fear that's keeping you from starting. It's not only about YouTube. If you're scared, if you want to hide your sub count, you will basically do similar stuff in other domains. Okay, let's go to another reason. Another reason that is also very important is like your integrity. You can apply this to every possible platform or every possible business. This can seem like such a trivial topic, but it's an indication of something bigger. It's an indication of our society. The main reason you're doing all of this is the fear of judgment. The judgment of other people. Not hiding your sub count tells your future audience that you're honest with them, that you're not insecure, that you will not lie to them, that you will not be a faker, and most importantly, that you do this because you love it and you do this long term. In the end, ask yourself, what do you do when the lights go off? What is it that you think about in the dark before you fall to sleep? What is it that you think about most of the day? What is it that you daydream about? Tell me in the comments, and I hope you have a good one. You were in another episode of Online Skills That Pay the Bills. Thank you, my LP Nation. As always, it was your guy, LP. 'Cause I'm not your